Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge Week 4 problem, Day 26, Teemo attacking. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. In LOL world, there is a hero called Teemo, and his attacking can make his enemy Ash be in poisoned condition. Okay. Now, given the Teemo's attacking ascending time series toward Ash and the poisoning time duration per Teemo's attacking, you need to output the total time that Ash is in poisoned condition. Okay. You may assume that Teemo's attacks at the very beginning of a specific time point and makes Ash be in poisoned condition immediately. Okay, so now let's have a look at the example. Let's see what it says. Okay, input is an array 1, 4 and 2. Output is 4. Now let's read through the explanation. At that point 1, Teemo starts attacking Ash and makes Ash be poisoned immediately. This poison status will last 2 seconds until the end of time point 2. At that point 4, Teemo attacks Ash again and causes Ash to be poison status after another 2 seconds. So finally you need to output 4. Okay, so now let's look at the second example. Here we have an input array 1, 2 and 2. The output here is 3. What the explanation reads. At the time point 1, Teemo starts attacking Ash and makes Ash to be poisoned. This poison status will last for 2 seconds until the end of time point 2. However, at the beginning of time point 2, Teemo attacks Ash again, who is already in poison status. Since the poison status won't add up together, though the second poisoning attack will still work at point 2. It will stop at the end of time point 3. So you need to finally return the output as 3. Right? Okay. Now let's see what the note reads. We have 2 points here. Number 1 says, you may assume the length of given time series array won't exceed 10,000. Okay. And second one reads, you may assume the number in Teemo's attacking time series and his poisoning time duration per attack are non-negative. Okay. The idea is pretty straightforward. We'll consider the time interval between two attacks. Ash spends in the poison condition the whole time interval if this interval is shorter than the poisoning time duration and the duration otherwise. So we can break our algorithm into 3 parts. First being, we'll calculate the total time in poisoned condition. We'll use total for this case and assign total to 0 in the beginning. Then we will iterate over the time series list. At each step, we'll add the total time, the minimum between the interval length and the poisoning time duration. At last, we can easily return total plus duration to make the last attack into count. It should become more clearer to you once we code. So let's quickly dive into the coding section. First, I'll calculate the length of time series here. Now I'll check if n equals to 0. In that case, I can simply return 0 here. Next, we'll assign total to 0 here. And now I'll run a for loop over the range of n minus 1. Now we will find total by calculating the minimum between time series of 5 plus 1, time series of 5 and duration, and adding it to total. At last, we can return total plus duration here. And we are done. Let's try running our code. And now let's try submitting it. And it's done. You can join my Discord server and Telegram channel for regular updates. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.